Warning, do not try this at home. Not for children. Trained redneck professionals. XWWBackyardSports, the leading force in backyard sports.
Up next we have bout number 17. This bout is in the cruiserweight division. Fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 214 pounds. He stands 5'11", 31 years young, from North Versailles, Pennsylvania. He was recently fired from his job. We're not sure why.
Hell yeah, get that unemployment!
I've been nice hand. So they fired me, LATTANZI.
Don't drop them things.
His opponent weighed in at 197 pounds. He stands 5'10". 28 years old. He's employed by Michael Masters All Seasons Lawn Care from Shinston, West Virginia.
You can hear the pain in my voice. I done been through it, let's rejoice. Let me get lost in the noise. You can apply that pressure, I'm always stay poised. You can try to apply that pressure. You can try to apply that pressure. You can try to apply that pressure. I'm always staying tall, you can break out the measure. I bet I jump at the seat, land on my feet, watch and see. Ain't no stopping me when they drop the beat. I'm locked in B, they copy me. Just stop and see, they Mike Tyson knocking me. Ain't no dropping me, you can pop me, but ain't no one stopping me. I represent for my state, I push past all the hate. Know your place, you'll meet your fate, but don't ever lose your faith. Concentrate in a constant state, but don't get lost in your ways. Contemplate on them drama days, just don't lose your honest ways. You can hear the pain in my voice. I done been through it, let's rejoice. Let me get lost in the noise. You can apply that pressure, I'm always stay poised. You can try to apply that pressure. You can try to apply that pressure. You can try to apply that pressure. I'm always staying tall, you can break out the measure. Put me up in the ring, I bet I stand my own ground. I bet I go Hulk Hogan when I put this leg down. They know I'm pissed off when I don't make a simple sound. They know it's too late when they hear that clip wham. Whoa, no, I can't be stopped. No, I won't ever be tied. I'm like MJ in the finals, I'm like Kobe with the shot. I'm like John Rambo, boy, I won't miss my shot. To the top of the food chain, nah, I won't ever be tame. You can have that fame, man, it's lame, who's next in my game? I spit nothing but the truth and the facts. Who would've knew a country boy could sing and rap? This, that, I got my state on my back. I work a real 9 to 5 just to stack my cash. Every day I get up, I thank God for another day. My life's been changed ever since the day I got to make a change up in your way.
The winner coming out of both the black corner, the Tornado from Shinston, West Virginia, where they had the Tornado about 60 years ago.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to XWW Backyard Sports.